Okay, children. So here we are done with the preparation of Mamidi Tantra. So you can see how children are enjoying uh, on the unripe kachi carry, here. And then what happened? Daddy told them to look for the nice and ripe mangoes. So they are searching here for the nice and ripe mango. They went to the market, got the things, and then here the pulp is being taken out and then mixed with the sugar and jaggery. In this picture you can see all together spreading the pulp in the mat, and here after a month, 4 weeks, they are enjoying and relishing the Mamidi Tandra. Yeah, children. So what all are the method? Appa chose the most ripe mangoes, took out the pulp into large pot, strained the pulp to filter the fiber. Chitta Babu crushed the good and then added good and jaggery in equal amount, right? Right, into the pulp. Then Chinna Babu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with the big spoon, and the pulp. Amma spread the pulp into the thin layer over the mat. Okay, and they are left to dry the sun, and in the evening they cover it with the clean sari. Okay, children. Next day again they took out the same thing. They added the sugar. They took out the mango pulp. They added the sugar and jaggery. Spread it over the previous layer, right? And then for another next 4 weeks they kept on doing the same thing, right? And they shouldn't drain because you have to keep it outside covered. So after 4 weeks, what happened? Layer after layer, a jelly grew 4 centimeter thick. So at least it should be 4 centimeter thick, and the color is golden. So golden cake has to be there, and then your Mamidi Tandra is ready to eat. Yeah. So that's how you have to make the Mamidi Tandra. Children, you have to draw this diagram in your notebook. Okay. This diagram should be there in the notebook, and all the steps of the drawing, the first, second, third, fourth and fifth, all of them should be done in your copy. Okay. Why was sugar and jaggery mixed into mango pulp and dried in the sun? Why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes? How did the brother make Mamidi Tandra? Everything is there in this paragraph, okay? Because we want the aam papad, the Mamidi Tandra is always nice and sweet, no? So they have to add sugar and jaggery. Otherwise, there are few which are not. The mango itself is not very sweet. They are little sari, yeah. So that's why we need to add, and you have to choose the ripe mangoes, the most ripe mangoes. Then only you'll get nice amount of pulp, yeah. And then you have to write on the method step by step how to make the Mamidi Tandra. Okay, here children, this is very interesting. You have to write down what are the things made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes. Okay, what all things they are made? Pakka aam and kacha aam. Say what all things you make, the pickles and whatever you make out of the ripe mangoes, and then you have to also write what you make out of the unripe mangoes. Is there any kind of pickle made in your house? Of course, you just ask what kind of pickle is made in your house. What all things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house? How is the pickle made? Find out the recipe. So children, here you have to write down the recipe of the pickle, right? How are the things made in your house? How the papad, chutney, vadiya and sauces are made. So these you have to just ask and get the information from your parents or mothers. Okay, or Nani ji, Dadi ji, whosoever is there. Okay, this is very interesting, children. Okay, very interesting. Glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. I'm repeating it. Glass jars and bottles are dried in the sun before filling them with the pickle. Why is this done? Okay. So children, why it is dried nicely. I told you only beforehand that microorganisms like fungus, what do they need to grow? They need to have water or moisture. So if you will not dry it properly, some moisture will remain in the water, and you put the pickle to store in that, the whole pickle will get spoiled by fungus. So you have to be really careful while putting a pickle into the jar. It has to be nicely dried. Okay, children? To eat mangoes round the year, we make different items. So these are all the items which we are making out of mango: pickle, papad, chutney, chikki. Okay, list some food with which we make different things so that we can enjoy through the year. So I have to list these, children. Okay, so here we are done with the chapter. Okay, the question answers will be given to you. So when they ask you that what are the things which can be kept for years, so a few months, papad, chutney, vadiya, okay, sauces, they remain for years, no? So in this chapter we are going to study about, we just studied about um, how can you protect the food from getting spoiled, and then what are the food items which can be kept for 2 to 3 days, then for a week, and for a month, and also for a whole year. Okay, and we got some examples out of it. We also studied about making of the different methods of making the Mamidi Tandra or Aam Papad. Yeah, children? So all the diagrams of different steps of making the Mamidi Tandra should be drawn in your notebook. Yeah, so we are done with the chapter. I'll give you the question answers for these chapter, and then you can show me after writing it.